What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renee. I have a cold. Don't mind my voice. Okay, so today I'm doing nails. This is my first time successfully doing polygel with nail forms, which I would highly suggest because it was super easy, and I think you can do it. If I could do it, you could do it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got these nails, don't mind this one. I already broke. Like, I filmed this video forever ago, and I'm just now putting it together. So I already broke a thumb, but use the error, okay? But you won't like this video, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, let's get started. So I'm just taking some acetone and cleaning up my nails. My bad, y'all, I gotta go, but just ignore that. So I'm cleaning up my nails with some acetone. I'm not gonna do any buffing or anything like that. I'm just gonna leave my nails as is and wipe them down with this, and that'll be it as far as nail prep goes, because yeah, I'm trying to take it easy. They really don't need no buffing, so I'm just gonna go with that. Okay, and I'm gonna use this like nail prep thing that I got from, like, I think it's called Sensational Kit from Walmart or whatever. I'm gonna put that on each one of my nails. Okay, so now I have this base coat that I'm using from, I don't know, I think it's Sullivan. Is that how you say that? I'm putting this on all my nails. Hindsight 2020, girl should have waited, okay? Because I didn't know which kit I was going to use and what colors and all of that stuff. So yeah, I should have waited, but I didn't. And here we are. Definitely just do like one as you go. I did like cure this hand. Well, both hands. I did both hands. I did cure them for 30 seconds each, but it's just a base coat, so it wasn't enough to keep it non-sticky. And girl, just don't do that part like I did, okay? Okay, so these, I decided to go with the Morvon kit that I ordered. I have used Morvon products before. Matter of fact, I think the first or the only other nail video I have on here is with Morvon products. Maybe, I don't know. And I do like their products. So they did have like a nude polygel kit, and this is what I ended up getting. So I'm just gonna show you all the colors really quick. I think there's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 colors. So you'll get to see all of those here in a second. I'm gonna use these nail forms. I feel like this is gonna be the easiest way for me to do it. And hindsight 2020, yes, it was. Instead of me trying to use like dual forms, these nail forms came in clutch, okay? So I've already sized up which nails fit my nails. So I just pop those out so they're just like ready to go. And then basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put like random blobs, because I want it to be kind of random. So I'm going to put random blobs on my actual nail bed, right? And then I'm going to smush it down with the nail form, okay? And then I'm going to use a clamp to like hold the nail form down while I cure it, so that it doesn't like move around. I don't think that it actually would, but it sounded like it was a good idea. I don't, I'm still not 100% sure if the nail clamp was a good idea. I mean, I guess it kind of is, but yeah. So I'm gonna use the nail clamp, and then I use some slip solution to kind of make sure like the edges, there's not any product on the edges of my nail, if that makes sense. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. So again, you just put the blob, smush down the nail form, and it kind of like blends. Excuse you? smush down the nail form, and it kind of just like smushes everything where it's supposed to go. Kind of like no fuss, okay? And that's what I like about this. No freaking fuss. Besides the edges smushing out. That's just because I put too much. But you really don't get the hang of it, I feel like. So, yeah. Okay, then I'm going to take another glob because I need to, like, extend it. Because it basically just covers my nail and a little bit more. So I need a glob to go underneath the nail to extend it to the length that I want it to, right? And these nail forms, I think all nail forms are marked so that you can have them all the same length. And I think I went either to the second to the last line on all of them. And I just wanted like a square, what am I trying to say? I just wanted a square nail, right? So I just, added a little bit, tap with the slip solution to make it all smooth, and then dragged it out to that top line and make sure that that line was straight across, smooth. And then also the edges, made sure that there was product there. I also like flash cured each nail as I went through, like for 30 seconds. This first nail, I'm not even gonna hold you. I put way too much product on the inside. But it's cool because who looking underneath your nails like that anyway, okay? Okay, now we basically just rinsing and repeating with the whole hand, flash curing in between, and then at the end I'm gonna cure everything again for I think I went in for 90 seconds to cure everything at the end, and then I'm just gonna start popping these things off. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how. This part is fairly easy, right? Just take off the clamps. And then I'm going to pinch the nail form at the top. And then you'll hear it like crack. And then you just pop that bug off. And it's what you're left with. Yeah. And they're pretty much perfect without me having to do too much. Like, there's some issues for sure, but they're pretty much perfect. So this process is a freaking one. All right, so I'm just gonna take this regular ass nail file. It comes literally with every kit that you would ever buy, and file the edges of my nails. I used this cuticle thing too, just because I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but some of the like edges of my nail where I didn't get all of the product off, right? After it oozed out, it kind of left like a raised gel. So I was able to get it off with this. Did you need to do that? No, I could have just filed it, to be honest, but I was just trying to see what I could do, to be honest. So I did that, but I really could have just filed it, okay, with a regular, that file, with a drill, anything. I didn't need this little, I don't even know what kind of tool this is, girl. I just used it. Okay, here's me going in with that drill. This is just because I wanted things to go faster. You could easily do this with a nail file, but I just don't think I'm good at shaping with a nail file. It didn't need that much shaping, to be honest. But like I said, I just want to move faster. That's all. I'm impatient, okay? And now I'm just going in with this top coat. I don't remember the brand of this. Everything that I'm using is going to be listed below. But I'm using this top coat, and I'm just going to cure this top coat and everything again for another 90 seconds, and then I'm done. Well, I'm done with this hand. Then I'm going to rinse and repeat for the other hand, okay? But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes love exception. So why basically like the before and after, before the filing and after the filing and top coat. Okay, we getting there, girl. We getting there. Okay, so here's the final results. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay, this is my first time doing this, even though I've had these nail forms forever. This is like me literally looking at my nails and all right now. But I'm actually impressed. Like, minimal effort was needed to do these. Which is my kind of nail technique, okay? Minimal effort. You see these claws? Oh yeah. I'm so excited about how these turned out, and I can't wait to do other designs and styles and stuff like that. So yeah, girl. I'm just gonna put on a little cuticle oil. You literally, this is not from Amazon. I actually got this from a nail salon that I used to go to. It was like Chinese New Year or something like that, and they was giving away cuticle oil. You know, I'll take it, and it works amazing. But I'll leave some that I have tried from Amazon below. So, yeah. Finished product. First time. I want to say I did a good job, okay? I nailed it. Yeah.